we have here a really high lifted Tacoma. Here's the owner. What's your name?
My name is Atif Abdallah.
All right, and what can you tell us about it? First of all, what year is it?
Okay, this is a 2022 Toyota Tacoma SR5. I just get the SR5 because I said I don't need the Pro suspension. I want to do my own suspension. Okay, and actually it's not a very cheap truck. Okay, I bought this truck for 45,000. Okay, I said I will not get the Pro like for some Fox suspension. Okay, because I want to lift my truck, but I want to run 40-inch tire. Okay, but I still doesn't get to my plan yet. Now my truck is it's a 35-inch.
35-inch tires.
Yeah,
okay.
35.
How high is the lift?
It's a 6-inch lift and a 35-inch tire, 12.5 18. I'm still going to put a 3-inch body lift to fit the 40-inch tire. I still have to cut the fender flare, and the body lift, it will make space between the frame and the body.
You
Okay.
didn't,
No, I don't. Yeah, I
you
don't.
didn't cut the body mount yet.
Yes, I don't because the 35 is okay with the 6-inch lift.
Once you go 40, you'll have to cut it.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. I see you have upgraded your knuckles.
Yes, and I still have the stock shocks.
Oh,
okay.
But you just put a huge space.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Because I'm planning to get the dirt hang shocks. Okay.
And in the back, you also just put the huge
blocks
under your leaf springs.
Yes.
I can see that, yeah. And you also upgraded the leaf springs, didn't you?
No, it's still a factory.
But you did put the longer shocks because there was no way.
Yes.
Leave the old ones. Okay.
Okay. And I'm still working to get my tent. And after that, I will do some work in the suspension again. But the stuff I have is worth it. I love it. It's doing a great job for me. Like with this suspension, I don't need to any rear lock differential or any something. It's just the truck is going very, very good.
Yes, and I see you dropped the suspension. The lower control arms have been dropped.
Yes, and
what is this kit called?
It's a 6-inch lift, rough country.
Rough country kit. This is part of that kit as well, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And they send all the stuff to me, and I did everything in my driveway.
So the steering knuckles will also part of that kit, right? Those?
Yes, yes.
So all of those. And how much did you pay for this kit?
Under 2,000.
Oh, so it's not even expensive.
Yeah. Yes, the suspension is not expensive because the only expensive stuff is the shocks and leaf spring. And I still have the factory ones, and it's not expensive.
You're planning to put that in soon?
Yes, very soon, yeah.
I think we need to look at the interior. There is something cool in there.
Yes, sir.
All right, so all these yellow panels, navigation system. What can you tell me about that?
Okay, the red seat, it's just cover. I have it for like 2 years. It's time to change it.
Oh, it's just the seat cover.
Yeah, just seat cover. And this is just wrap. Okay.
Oh, you just took the original panels and you just wrapped them?
Yes.
Okay.
And I have something no one have it in old Tacoma. I have the paddle shifter.
You made the pedal shift?
Yes.
Wow.
It's working great. I remove it before I go to service because my truck is still warranty.
Oh, so you service it at the dealership?
Yes, still, yeah.
They don't like when you have the pedal shift?
Yes. Check the gear knob. It's from company. It's called
The shifter.
Yes. It's from company called MESO. It have two buttons in the side here. You can connect it anywhere, like if you need it in horn or
So-
light.
Those are the buttons.
Yes,
Oh, that's the horn.
yes. And the other one is horn too.
Ooh, but different one.
Yes. And I still have the factory one too.
And the factory is on the
Yes.
normal.
Yeah, yeah.
So you have three different types
Yes.
of horns. What the hell? Wow, I've never seen that before. It's got horns on the shifter. Two different horns on the shifter knob. And then there's the original horn on the steering wheel. So there's three types of horns on this Tacoma.
Those paddle shifters?
Yes, and those are paddle shifters also that I've never seen on Tacoma before. Okay.
I will show you my roof rack light.
Roof
Okay.
rack light.
It's
Okay.
it's very bright. It have two color, but you can see it from different side. From here you will see it yellow. Other side you
Oh,
will see
yes.
it white.
It is yellow. And now it's white. Wow. Yellow? White. That's so cool. God.
And also I have the light in the leg area.
Oh, the
Yeah.
leg light. Okay.
And now we have to check the front.
There's also the front lights, right? Yes. There's the flashing lights in the front.
This is very bright and night. Okay. And also I have this.
Oh. I guess everybody can see you driving on the highway.
Yes,
At night, you're the highway guy.
the cop guy.
All right, now the spare.
Oh, it's the
Tell us about the spare.
Okay, the spare tire is I can put the 35-inch under the bed anymore. Maximum is 43, and if you bend all the metal under the truck, you can run the 44. Okay, but I want to get the 45. Then I get a holder. It's going spare amount, like it's going in the hitch, and it's going up like. It's like similar like a Jeep.
Oh, nice. So it's got the spare tire holder that's going into the hitch receiver.
Yes, and to be in the safe side, I put my camera not on the tailgate anymore. My camera in.
Oh, and the backup camera is right here in the middle of the spare.
Yeah.
So neat. All right, so you still get the camera and you
Yes.
have the spare on the back.
Yes, and the camera is working great, but the only problem, I'm still doing some work in the spare amount to make it flip, like to go.
Oh, so you want to modify it
Yeah, so I can access the tailgate.
because you
Okay.
cannot now.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, you can modify that spare mount to tilt down.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's a doable.
And this is for my flag. Just put my flag here. I will show you.
Oh, for the flag. It's a flagpole. Springy, springy. So what country's flag is this?
It's Egyptian flag. It's my country.
Egypt.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. All right, so you got all the flags here. Wow. That's
And-
one beautiful setup,
And
I'll
also,
tell you.
this is a radio antenna to be like connection for off-roading.
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, it's an antenna.
It's not connected now because I'm not off-roading.
Uh-huh.
It should
So
be like a lot of wiring.
when you're
okay.
off-roading, you just give the buddies another.
Yeah, like a channel number on that one.
I see. So to stay connected with all the other off-roaders.
And also, this is my group sticker. It's Northern TACOMAs. I found it on Instagram.
Okay, so Northern TACOMAs on Instagram.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, well, thank you for the interview,
Yeah, thank you, sir.
and we will have you on YouTube at some point.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Nice to meet you.